In this video, I will show you the brief definition of REST API and what are the methods of REST API. For API testing, you must need to understand what is REST API at first, and then you have to understand how they look like. So let's see one by one. So what is REST API? API means application programming interface, and REST means representational state transfer. So REST API refers this thing, representational state transfer application programming interface, and this is an API. So what is the meaning of this REST API? So it's actually a way to communicate between two systems through the internet by using some mechanism or standard methods like some get method, post method, something like that. So here is one example of REST API. So it looks like this. Generally inside any browser we generally used to type like http colon, sometimes there is s, then google.com, something like that. So this is an API. So this API has two parts. So the first part is called the base URI, and after the base URI, the remaining part is resource. Okay, so here it is also written the same way. This is the base URI, and this is the resource which represents all users. Here, users. So this thing is means the whole thing is API, like REST API. So now there are a couple of methods of REST API. Those are get, post, put, patch, and delete. Each of them are different, but two of them are doing the same type of thing, like put and patch. They are used for update. So let's see what is get. Get is actually to getting some data. That means to retrieve data. It just reads the information. Whatever the information the API is asking, it will just read. It will not write anything or modify anything. And here we use only the base URL and resource, and sometimes we can also use the query parameter also. There is another method, it is called post. Post means it creates a new record. That means to create a new data or to add a new resource, you just need to use post. Put means it will update the existing data. So for example, you created one data and you need to update it. So put will help you to update it. But the update is full update. It's not partial update. It will replace entire thing and it will update it. The patch is also updating data, but it is partially updating. It will not update everything. It will update only the record data which needs to update. And finally, delete. Delete, it actually removes the data. That means the entire data set will be removed. We'll see all examples very shortly, but here I just gave you the idea, like what is REST API, how it looks, and what are the important methods. Besides this, there are some other important methods. Other methods are there, but those are not important. Only these 4-5 are very important, and for most of the company they don't use delete. And now the last thing is that why this REST API is popular. Besides REST, there is other API also, which is called SOAP API. But we don't use SOAP API nowadays. Only old system they generally use the SOAP, but most of the modern application or companies they are using REST. The main reason are these. REST is very simple and it is very lightweight and it's easy to test with tools like Postman. You can use Postman or some other tool also like Assure, something like that you can use. And this is very simple, lightweight, and easy to test. And this is platform independent, works with any language. So it doesn't matter whether C programming, Java, or other, it supports everything. And perfect for automation frameworks like REST Assured in Java, which we'll learn very shortly. And that's it. Hopefully by watching this small short video, you have understanding what is REST API, what are the important methods of REST API, and why should we use REST API. In the following sections, we will see how to test those things using Postman, and after that we will see how to use the REST Assured API to test those.